Good morning students. Today we will discuss our worksheet first, that is a practice for half yearly exam, your chapter 6. Okay students, see your first question of this worksheet. This worksheet you already had in on WhatsApp. You can see a binomial is an algebraic expression with. कोई भी binomial है. Your first question is a binomial is an algebraic expression with. कोई भी बाइनोमियल है. बाइनोमियल किसी भी एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन को बाइनोमियल नेम कैसे दिया जाता है? दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू टर्म्स. इफ वी हैव वन टर्म then it is called monomial. If we have two terms then it is called binomial. Now see your options. Your first option is degree 2. Binomial वो होते हैं जिनकी degree 2 होती है, is wrong because degree 2 then it is called quadratic equation. Two terms, yes it is right, because an algebraic expression has two terms then it is called as a binomial. Two variables wrong, none of these wrong. It means your option B correct. Then you write down your answer like this. Option B, two terms. So this time you attend your exam properly, in proper manner. See the next question. The degree of the polynomial 10. One polynomial is given to you 10. What is the degree of this polynomial? See, what is the mean of this polynomial? That we can write down. This is 10x power 0. Any variable power 0. And any variable power 0 is equal to always 1. That's why 10 into 1 is equal to 10. And what is the degree? The highest power of any variable in the given polynomial is called the degree. Then see, in this highest power only one term is there and variable is x and power is 0. That's why degree of this polynomial 0. So what is your answer? Your options are A 1, B 0, C does not exist and D cannot be determined. Then our answer is B 0. Now see the third question, the like term. The like term, it is given to you for a power 3, y power 2, z power 3. Options given to you 4z square, a cube, y square. Option B y square, z cube, a square. Option C 7 z cube, a square, sorry a cube, y square. And option D 4 a square, y square, z cube. Like term, we want to find out the like term. Like terms are what? That have same variable, same type of variable and same power also. That power of the variable should be same. Then we can say these are the like terms. See, here a power 3, here a power 3, here this one wrong, here a power 3 and this one. It means these two options are incorrect. And from these two options now find out which is correct one. Y power 2, here also y power 2, here also y power 2. Z power 3, here z power 2, it means this option is incorrect. So what is your correct option? C 7z power 3, a power 3, y power 2. It doesn't matter the sequence of these variables in multiplication. Because if you write down 2 into 4, then it is equal to 8, or if we write down 4 into 2, it is also 8. You can write down A multiply by B, then also AB, and you can write down B into A, then also you can write down this is equal to AB. See the next question now. Question number 4. The coefficient of minus x coefficient is what? See, x here, then we can say minus 1 into x. Then what is the coefficient of this? That you can say 1. So 1 into minus x is equal to minus x. We want to find out the coefficient of minus x. Then 1 into minus x is equal to minus x. It means what is the coefficient of it? 1. Next option, next question C, and your option A correct in this. Next, 2x square y. Your next question is fifth one. 2x square y plus 5xy square plus 3 minus 15 plus 2x square y is A. Options monomial, binomial, trinomial, none of these. It means firstly we have to solve. We will solve this algebraic expression. See, 2x square y plus 5 into this 5xy square plus 5 3s are 15 minus 15 minus plus minus 2x square y plus 2x square y minus 2x square y cancel out, plus 15 minus 15 cancel out, then it is called 5xy square. So now check your options. Monomial means one term, binomial means two term, trinomial means three terms, and this algebraic expression showing only one term. That's why it is a monomial. It means our option A is correct. Next, see the value of ax square plus bx plus c at x is equal to minus b upon a. See in this, what we will do for finding the value of this given expression? We will put the value of x in this, then x value is minus b upon a square plus b minus b upon a plus c. Now a minus whole square plus then b square upon a square plus minus b into b square upon a plus c. A2 this cancel out, b square upon a minus b square upon a plus c. This plus minus cancel out, then answer is C. So which option is correct? A option A, B option B square minus 4ac, C option 0 and D option C. It means our option D correct. Next one, find the value of minus 4x square y square plus 6xy plus 8x plus 12y minus 1. When x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Find out the value of this given polynomial. at x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. Now put the value minus 4. X value minus 2 whole square minus 1 whole square plus 6 into minus 2 minus 1 plus 8 into minus 2 plus 12 into minus 1 minus 1. Now solve it. Minus 4 minus 2 square 4 minus square plus 2 square 4 and 1 square minus 1 square 1 plus minus minus plus 2 into 1 2 plus minus minus 8 2s are 16 plus minus minus 12 1s are 12 minus 1 minus 4 into 4 16 plus 6 2s are 12 minus 16 minus 12 minus 1 minus 12 plus 12 cancel out minus 16 minus 32 minus 1 that is equal to minus 33. It means which one option is correct? Option C is correct. Next see now. Question number 8. On simplification, the value is minus 3a square minus in bracket 2a square minus 4a square plus b square. Simplify it. Do simplify minus 3a square minus, firstly solve the bracket inner one, minus 4a square minus plus minus b square. 2a square plus 2a square minus 4a square, that is plus 2 minus 4, because these are the like terms we can solve it. Plus 2 minus 4 cancel out, then remaining minus 2, a square minus b square minus 3a square minus minus plus 2a square minus minus plus b square minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2, which one is greater? 3, but sign have minus, it means, and plus minus minus, it means this is equal to minus 1. That is equal to b square minus a square. Next question. Yes, now see question number 9. Here question number 9 is what should be added to minus 3a plus 7b minus 16 to get the sum minus 8. Means in this given expression what should be added to get the sum minus 8. See, suppose we add an algebraic expression a, then we want to find out the value of a, then this is minus 8. How to solve an equation? When you transpose, then minus sign change into plus sign, minus 3a change into plus 3a, plus 7b change into minus 7b, minus 16 change into plus 16. Now solve it. 3a minus 7b plus 8. It means if we add this thing into this given expression, then we will get the sum minus 8. Then see which one option is correct? Your option C is correct. Last 10th one, see, adding x square minus y square minus 1 y square minus 1 minus x square and 1 minus x square minus y square. We get, if we add all these three expressions, then what will we get? See, x square minus y square minus 1 plus y square minus 1 minus x square plus 1 plus minus x square plus minus y square. Now see, x square minus x square cancel out, minus y square plus y square cancel out, minus 1 plus 1 cancel out. Now remaining is minus 1 minus x square minus y square. Then see which one option is correct. Your option D is correct, that is given to you minus x square minus y square minus 1. Now see question number 2. By how much is sum of this and this greater than this? Question number 2 in your worksheet. By how much is sum of? It means firstly we have to find out sum. Then sum of a power 4 minus 6a square b square plus b power 4 and minus 2a power 4 plus 5a square b square plus 3b power 4. Okay. How much this one is greater than from minus a power 4 minus a square b square minus 4b power 4. ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है, फर्स्टली वी विल सोल्व द सम ऑफ दीज टू. देन व्हाट यू विल गेट, दैट इज a पावर 4 माइनस 6a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर प्लस b पावर 4 प्लस माइनस 2a पावर 4 प्लस 5a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर प्लस 3b पावर 4. Solve it. A power 4 minus this minus a power 4, this one minus a square b square plus 4b power 4. It means this one expression is how much greater than from this. In simple way, that 8 is how much 8 is greater than 5. If we write down this कि 8 5 से कितना greater है, then what we will do? We will do that 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. It means we will this algebraic expression minus this one algebraic expression. Then we can find out required answer. Your required condition, that required expression. What we will do? This one sum minus this one sum. Then solve it. Minus a power 4 minus a square b square plus 4b power 4 minus plus minus plus. If you see cancel out, then it becomes 8b power 4. This is our answer. Next one, from the sum of this and this, subtract the sum of this and write the degree of the difference obtained. From the sum of this and this, so firstly we find out the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. Subtract the sum of this and this. It means firstly we find out this sum. From this, it means if I write down that subtract 8 from 5, then what we will do after from this one digit? So firstly I write down this one, subtraction means minus, then I write down this. Then from this one, it means firstly we find out the sum of these two algebraic expression, then we take this one expression minus sum of another two expression, that is 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Then solve as usual and in the last write the degree of the difference obtained. तो जो भी difference आएगा इसका degree depends on the power of given variable. Suppose I find out here only one variable, it means highest power of the variable is called the degree of this given polynomial. Next question, simplify the expression and find their values if x equals to 2. One answer I am solving, it is given to you 4a square minus b square plus 6a square minus 7b square, and find out the value of this. A is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 3. Firstly simplify the expression, it means directly don't put the values, firstly simplify it, and when you will solve it, it becomes 6 plus 4 10a square minus 8b square. Now put the values of a and b. It becomes 10 minus 1 square 1, 10 into 1 minus 8 into minus square plus 3 square is 9. It becomes 10 minus 72 is equal to minus 62. Similarly, solve the another one part. If x is the root of the equation, next question, question number 5 in your worksheet. If x is the root of this equation, 4x is equal to 12, then find the value of 3x minus 9. What we will do? Firstly, we solve this equation. X is equal to 12 by 4, x is equal to 3. Now put the value here 3, x value 3 minus 9, that is 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Next subtraction, very easy. How much 0 is greater than this? Then the same pattern, 0 minus this given expression, then you will find out your answer. Now your worksheet first solution complete. Do prepare it properly. Okay students, thank you.